Hi, my name is Abhishek, and today I'm going to demonstrate how mathematical equations can be made accessible and easily navigable for the students with visual impairment who wants to study science and mathematics subjects. So here is an example of a mode equation, and we will see how it is made accessible with the help of screen reading softwares, and we will see how students can actually listen to the equations and also can access the equations in braille if they have a braille display with them. Then they can connect that to their systems, and the equations will also generate a braille output in Nemeth code. So here is an example. So if I press the down
The
arrow,
mode is a value inside the modal class comma, and is given by the formula colon.
so the mode is a value inside the modal class and is given by the formula. So we'll press the down arrow and it will start reading the equation.
Application clickable mode equals L plus left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2, and fraction right parenthesis times H.
So it read the complete equation. Now if I want to read each and every part of the equations, because sometimes if the equation is large, it is very difficult to understand the complete equation, right? So what I'll do is I'll just press enter.
Mode equals L plus left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 end fraction right parenthesis times H.
So it will
Mode
read the
equals
complete,
L plus left parenthesis start.
it will read the complete equation for me. So now if I press the enter button again,
Mode equals L plus left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 end fraction right parenthesis times H.
so what it has done is it has generated alt text for this and also the braille output for this. So now if your braille display is connected, then you can see like you can touch your braille display and see what is written on the screen, and it has also been spelled out by the screen reader. So now if I want to read the right hand side of the equation, I'll press the down arrow.
Mode
It said mode. Now if I press the right arrow,
equals L plus left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 end fraction right parenthesis times H.
so it read the right side of the equation. Then I'll press the down button again.
Equals
And then the right arrow, it says equals.
L plus left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 end fraction right parenthesis.
So it took me to the left side of the equation. It says L plus and then the fraction part. Now if I press the down arrow again,
L
it took me to the L
plus
plus, then now it will take me inside the fraction if I press the right arrow again.
left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 end fraction right parenthesis.
So now if I want to read the numerator part, I'll press the down arrow again.
Left parenthesis start fraction F1 minus F0 right parenthesis start fraction F1 numerator F1 minus F0
And now if I press the right arrow,
denominator 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2.
so whatever is being spoken, the same thing is also visible on braille display, which can be read. So that's how a complete equation can be made accessible with the help of the screen reading software.